February is the month of love, I told myself, while waiting to cross the train line. February is a month that brings back memories of distant loves, near pains, and memories of times gone by. It was Dietrich's morning. The red and white barrier prevented me from crossing. On the other side was my destiny. I would have wanted to be at my house, enjoy my home's warmth, play with the dogs. Like a wounded beast, the train whistled. It carried cargo to I don't know which destination. The migrant liaison waited for me at Dietrich High School. The train's tail appeared to extend into the distance. In my itinerary, the camp program was included, where the Shoshone children once played. Now the Union Pacific Railroad irons are planted. Not far away is Craters of the Moon. My dream was to be an astronaut when I camped there. It was a while ago. In my mind, I was transported to remote places. In Idaho, where history is written in black and white. White snow, black lava rock is the story. In that land of adventure, the Native Americans continue to dream the same dream as Chief Pocatello. His Department of Homeland Security was based on defending the land, food, water. After they starved his people, the white man erected a statue of him. February is the month of love. It's a fast train.